right, everyone, it's time for a life update. I wanted to do this just because there's been so much going on in the last several months. And this isn't only for all of you watching, it's for my family too. Hi, family. Hi, mom. Because now that I live in Washington, I don't even live close to my family. And it's so freaking nuts now that I don't even have time to update them on everything that's going on. Like, I'm not on Facebook a ton and posting stuff because it's just so intense. So I'm like, okay, I'm just going to do a video on it, sharing with all of you what's going on in the last several months. I got my coffee, so hopefully you have your drink. So anyways, it's now October, end of October, and I think my last update video is when I talked to you guys about after I had my miscarriage. So life after that has been a little different because we were going to start trying to have kids again, but because my health is kind of taking another dip, it goes up and down, and I've gone to so many doctors and they're always giving me different answers. I've heard like I've had 5 different things. So now I'm like, I don't even know what I have. I've been told like I have everything. So at this point, as long as I get rest and I stay away from stress and I eat as healthy as I can, my health will pick back up. But when things at work go crazy, like right now we've had the Marste lunch going on, we've moved again, and all that happened this summer. So my health takes a plummet because all of that stress does affect me. And so that's kind of what's been going on. So we were going to start to try to have kids again because I'm getting up there in age. I'm 38 now, I'll be 39 in December. I feel like my clock is like, let's go. And for the longest time, I didn't even think I wanted kids. But now that I've come to a point in my life where I've had so many like life-changing things happen, which is a whole nother video about a spiritual experience I've had so much, that I've decided that I want to have kids because I don't want to look back at my life and say, oh, well, I had this career and I got to travel and stuff. I want, I guess, more balance to my life. I want there to have even more meaning than what I have now. So that's why. But on that note, we're going to wait a little bit. And what my goal is now is I really want to get my last hurrah of travel in for fun. So what we're planning on doing is going to Europe for a couple months, probably after the holidays, and just take 2 months and I'll still work from there, but it'll be just an escape for a couple months, see all of Europe, Northern Europe, Southern Europe, Italy, probably go to the UK for a little bit and just have a central spot out there for a couple months and just get as much travel in as possible. For me, it's very therapeutic because after my miscarriage, it's kind of travel for me is like a healing process. I don't know if you guys remember like years ago when my dad passed away, I went to Paris for school and I was gone for 6 weeks and it was the best experience ever. It helped me kind of heal a little bit because it's like a distraction for me and it's a positive thing. So I think right now is what I kind of need. So that's where I'm at now. I'm going to put the kid thing on hold just for a little while and then get myself in order, get my health back, get some sleep, de-stress, travel, and then try to focus on that. So that's going on with the personal life. Professionally, you guys know Marste just launched. The website isn't up yet. There was this huge hiccup with that. It was so frustrating. I found out literally 3 days before I flew to New York for the pop-up shop that the site was not working properly. So I know all of you guys are waiting for it. Please be patient. I promise it's coming. It'll be worth the wait because there's so many cool features on there. I'll have like a total inspiration section, an idea gallery of tons of different looks you can do, color combinations, articles. So much stuff is going to be on that site. So I promise you it'll be worth the wait. We're hoping it'll be up the end of October. So stay tuned for that. I'll post on social media when that goes live. But we just had our pop-up shop I literally got back not even a week ago from New York. We were there for 9 days, had a pop-up shop in Soho. It was such a fun event. The space was amazing. It was right next to Hermes. It was next to all these fancy shops. The coolest space, these high ceilings with these big columns. It was so beautiful. It was such an amazing experience. It was definitely what I envisioned to be for the initial launch for Marste. And so many of you guys who came were so sweet. You gave the best hugs, and almost every single person that came into the store who actually got the Marste products in their hand loved it. I'm wearing one of it right now. I'm wearing the kimono. I will link to that below. It comes in a couple colors, 3 colors actually. This one's my favorite because I love plum. Anyways, everyone who came in and actually tried the Marste loved it, and it was so cool to see women of all different sizes and body shapes looking so amazing in the pieces. Like this one skirt, it's this midi skirt. I saw it on several different people and it looked so different but so amazing in each one. Like I don't know, it was so surreal. It was kind of like an almost teary moment to see the clothing and to see the people wearing them, their faces when they came out of the dressing room. They were just so happy, and that's I'm getting teary-eyed now thinking about it. That's what my goal was for Marste, was to help people feel beautiful. Like just with makeup, that's why I started a makeup company, was to help people feel beautiful on the inside and out. And now with fashion, because I've grown up a chubby girl, I've always been self-conscious about that, but to have a clothing line where I felt so good about myself and to see that happening for other people was like a dream come true. So before I get teary-eyed on that, we're gonna move to the next subject. So stay tuned for the Marste launch. I'm trying to think what else is going on. Makeup Geek. Oh my gosh. Okay. So Makeup Geek for this year, I have 9 palettes that let me show you guys really quick what they are. So I did a collaborative palette with Marste and Makeup Geek. So Marste has 9 colors in the line that are all meant to coordinate with each other. It's kind of like a capsule collection idea. Why am I doing this with my hands today? It's a capsule collection. So like if you have like the plum color, it goes with the black or it goes with the olive green. They're all meant to coordinate with each other. You can buy any 2 pieces from the line and they go well. And so I created 9 palettes using these, and I promise you guys after this year, you will never see this format of a palette again. I know we've seen it for a little while. Mama has 44,000 sitting in her warehouse. So once we go through these, I have so many cool, innovative new palettes coming out for you next year. You have no idea. But in the meantime, these are such amazing palettes. They're high quality. They have the sturdy mirror. This is the look that I'm wearing right now. Like this one is called Flourish. It's all about the olive green color that we have from the line. I won't show you all of these because I don't want it to be an ad video. This one is called Passion. This is for the deep plum color that we have in the line. Let me show you one other. What's the color? Oh, Bloom. Bloom is the light lavender color that you guys have seen me wear from the line. So I did a purple palette. So all of these are meant to go with anything that you buy from Marste. So I've been working on that. But the big news is that I am rebranding the entire company for March. This has been in the works for 2 years now. I haven't talked about it because competitors watch. I know this business. It's not tea in here, it's coffee, but you know what I'm saying. Competitors will watch that. And so everything in the Makeup Geek line will look and feel different. Not feel different, it'll look different, but the products are still the same amazing quality, but I'm giving you a completely new set of eyeshadows in this really cool format, which I cannot talk about right now, but there's a whole educational piece to it, which is so freaking cool. I cannot wait to describe it for you. So I have all new everything coming out. Eyeshadows, powder, face powders, highlighters, blushes, bronzers, what else? Lip products. So much new stuff coming at you in March. So stay tuned for that. And then the holiday, we have like new lashes that I've developed that are coming out for holiday, some beauty blenders, and then I have a holiday palette for you as well. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you an update on that, but Makeup Geek has been definitely busy. And then the big news also is that we're growing with Target. So we are going to expand in February. So right now we have just a limited number of items in a limited number of stores. We're expanding to be in twice as many stores and a full range of products. You guys, I cannot wait to see that. You know I love Target. You know I've shopped there all the time, but to see a complete section of product that is customized, it is unique to Target, is gonna be so freaking exciting. So that's been, this entire year has been working on that, is getting all the orders going for that. So that'll be in February. So we'll do some big videos announcing that. So I'm trying to think of what else that's going on. Travel, gonna wait on the baby thing. Got settled in Washington. I love Washington so much. It's so beautiful right now. It's exactly what I needed. It's peaceful. So when I go and do all my crazy travel and do work and when I come home, it's like, so I'm so happy here. It was the best move for me ever. Even though I'm sad I'm away from family a bit more, for me personally, it's just peaceful, and I needed that in my life just to have balance. So I freaking love it. And Washington people are so nice. Our neighbors, we've moved twice now, and our neighbors have always, they've come with presents, and they say hi to the dogs, and they like bring up our garbage cans if we're not home. They are so freaking nice. I have to give props to all my Washington people watching right now. You guys are nice as can be. I love you guys. So anyways, that's kind of my life update for now. Stay tuned. There's so much going on. I will definitely keep you guys tuned on that. So you guys know I love your support. Thank you so much for just, you know, all the love that you share, for buying my products, for watching my videos. I'm genuinely happy for each of you. So thank you so much. So before I have a little crying meltdown, because I'm a sappy woman at heart, I'm going to end that here, but hope you guys are doing great and just have an amazing fall. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.